Many of our kinder care centers have outdoor gardens, and your child may come home talking about the fun things that they did in the garden. Gardening doesn't have to be a big thing. It could start with one small container with some herbs, or maybe you have some window boxes that you could plant a few seeds in with your child. If you belong to a local community garden, that's another option for getting your kids and you out in the soil. So it doesn't have to be a major thing, just make it work for you and your family. Let's go to our KinderCare cam to check out a KinderCare center's garden. This center has a lot of lettuces, strawberries, and even some spearmint growing in their garden. Preparing and cooking foods grown in the garden helps children connect growing food with eating nutritious foods that come from nature. In fact, some good news for families is that the research supports the idea that children who participate in hands-on gardening education are more likely to try and eat the foods that they have had a hand in growing. So if you want your kids to love veggies, gardening can be a real help in this area. Kids as young as 1 year old can participate in gardening. They can push seeds into the soil, they love to help sprinkle water on the seeds, and they can also learn about gardening through stories. Your older children can participate too. They can prepare the soil for planting, tending the plants, harvesting, and then of course incorporating garden produce into healthy recipes.